Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Jaya and I post videos related to lifestyle, fitness and some fun related content. So without any further ado, let's get with today's video, which is going to be a lot more exciting because this year I have tried so many products, and as you can see I have a lot of things which are in the hair care, body care, appliances that you should, and I have tried it for myself and it certainly has a lot of things. Wish you to please stick to the video because I promise this is going to be an exciting one. So grab a snack and let's get started with today's video. Okay, so starting with the body care category, I have one amazing launch, which is the current launch by Dove, which says it has 3% vitamin serum and vitamin C. And I can't tell you how obsessed I am with this. As soon as I've used it, I've actually seen a difference in my body because I had certain bumps on my body which have faded. By using this, you can actually see the dirt going out from your body. It is one of the best launches of Dove, and I'm truly loving this product a lot. Starting with another body care product which I would request you all to start is this. This is Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion. I actually bought this Boom Boom cream also from Sol de Janeiro, but it was very expensive. It was also gifted by my brother, but this is something which is expensive. But if you're finding something which is exactly the dupe of it, this is it. The only difference is it lasts up to 4 to 5 hours, and this will last you up to 8 to 9 hours. So depending upon your priority, I love both of them so much. I'm totally obsessed with both of them. Now we come to another body lotion which is by Victoria's Secret, and it also says Bare Vanilla. So you can say I am a vanilla girly if that is something. I really feel that I like the smell because it calms my mind down. So this is something which I have recently purchased and I am loving it. I apply it daily. It is also a bit on the expensive side, so if you really want to splurge your money on something which smells good, which feels light, this is exactly what you want to have. Okay, coming to a face wash. This is my not current favorite, but I would say this is one face wash which I cannot tell you how much I love it. It is something which I have. This is like half empty, almost full, and this is my 7th or 8th bottle, like the tube of the face wash. It is from the brand Face Shop, which says Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. It is so light on your skin and you feel like actually your face is crystal clear when you apply this. This is one face wash which I have been using from 2-3 years now, and it really lasts you up to long months. Like I use it for approximately 4 months shayad. So yeah, this is something you should buy. Another thing which I cannot switch, and I have also emptied this as well, which is M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. I am someone who does not use so much hard because I have hard things on my face because I have a very sensitive skin, and before using any product I test it out because I really don't want to go and test a lot of things which have a lot of actives and which will react badly to my skin. So this is the product which I swear by, and I totally love this product. So now coming to the hair care category, I have this Kerastase, if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but this is the pink one series which I totally love. Like the days when I don't know what to use for my hair, I switch to these two. I actually used the L'Oreal one earlier, but on the days when my hair is not behaving right, I know when to switch to this because this is the perfect फेस वॉश. अगर अब मैं सब में से बोलूँ दैट यू हैव टू splurge your money on one thing, it would be this because this nourishes your scalp. It makes your scalp clean and your hair will smell like very, very tasty. So yeah, this is something which you should purchase according to me. Rest is on you. So coming on to another hair care, which is this. So this is the hair chumpy oil from Indiewild. I bought this in a smaller version earlier because I wanted to try it because it was expensive. But as you can see, I have been using it for like, I have used it for 3, 4 or 6 times, but this has emptied only this much because it takes only one pump to clear like only this much oil to actually massage in all of my hair. You don't feel that your head is chumpy, and it is not greasy, it is not transferable. So it is everything that you need in a hair oil. Second thing which I want to talk to you about is recently I have been styling my hair a lot. Be Blunt Hot Shot Heat Protection Mist. It actually works. I can't tell you because I have thin hairs. So I was very afraid to whether use it or not. Like that was the only reason I did not used to style my hair a lot. Once I have started using this, it has changed. It does not, it makes your hair so soft, so yummy because it the fragrance of it is so good. So this is one hot shot spray which you should use when you're just about to style your hair. You can spray it all on your uh, hairs and then style it. It will not damage your hair or give at least some protection to your hair. So now coming on to the skincare category, I have two serums. No, actually one serum. I have two bottles of it. It is from the brand Foxtail and it says the Milky Way Rapid Spot Reduction Drops. I don't have that many spots. I have a clear skin, but this is something which I really swear by. I have made it use to my masi, to my cousins, to my mother, and everyone around me, and they have loved it like I don't know what. And they have been asking me to reorder for themselves as well. And ये तो बस दो हैं. I might be having 1, 2 round the corner. मैंने इतना यूज करा है. This तो is completely emptied. I think I really wanted to show you the texture, but empty है भाई. This might have something. Okay, so this has a milky texture, and this is how it blends in your skin. It is one of the, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but this is what it gives. It gives you a glowing skin, and exactly how you wanted it. So yes, it blends in your skin so easily. And the days when I don't want to use any actives or like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, this is something I switch to immediately because I know this will make my skin a lot softer and it will give everything my skin wants, including hydration. Now coming on to the moisturizer, I have two moisturizers which is again at a high-end category. This is one thing which has gone viral a lot in the market, and this is the OG which people and influencers have talking about a lot of time. So I really wanted to try it out for myself this year. So I bought this Chotu one. It is very expensive, and you can see I have literally emptied it, and it is so, I don't know, bacha bhi hai nahi, but this is so, I have a dry skin and it actually gives the perfect hydration to your body and like to your face. And this is another one that is from DU In My Defense, which says barrier building skin food. And this is something which I want to say in the review of this. This is something as jitna milky ye hai, and this is something which you can use in any point of time at your, like whatever phase you are feeling in a day, you can use it anytime. This is one moisturizer which like अगर आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा ना कि आपकी बॉडी पे क्या यूज़ करना है, लाइक फेस पे क्या यूज़ करना है, तो दिस इज वन सीरम एंड दिस इज द परफेक्ट क्रीम. आई वॉज द वन हु वॉज यूजिंग द पॉन्ड्स का वो डब्बा फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम, एंड दिस टाइम व्हेन आई tried to switch to a new one. This is one thing, and let me show you how it looks. Just one pump and it will make your face cover. Like अभी भी मुझे लग रहा है मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ले लिया for my, and I don't know if you're able to see it, but it gives the perfect amount of moisture and it actually stays on your face for a really good 8-9 hours, and you don't feel like that, you know, your face needs more hydration. So it perfectly sits under your makeup and chef's kiss. Okay, so if you are someone who don't like makeup, like I don't like makeup, yes, don't come at me because I really don't like using it. मुझसे हंसा ही नहीं जाता यार मेकअप लगाने के बाद. So one thing that I swear by is this, and I have been using it on and off, like on the days when I really want to shoot, on the days when I actually, you know, level up my game on whatever dressing I am. I don't do foundations. This is one skin tint which was launched, the brand Dot and Key, and it is their strawberry dew tinted. It's now coming on to a category which is the lip thing, and I have a perfect lipstick for the girls who like brown, but I don't know, this color turns into the perfect shade that I want to have for myself. And this is by Nykaa. It is in the shade 18 Chai, which does not look like it, but I'll show you how it looks. See, this is the perfect color and this is the color. This is absolutely for the girls who are looking for the nude shades for themselves. It is one thing, it is the perfect shade that you will be looking for, and it also has a one in the lighter tone which says Madras Kapi, and it is also the perfect shade on the days when you really don't feel like wearing a very bright color for yourself. Switch to this. Now coming on to lip glosses, I have this one lip gloss which I have used all of my year, is this by Maybelline which says Gloss Filter. I don't know. This is the lip shade and this is when you actually wear it. So juicy, so perfect for the days when you actually want to, like अगर आप simple सा outfit पहन के भी इसको लगा रहे हो, then also the attention goes to your lips and it really elevates your look. And if you're also wearing something heavy, this is the perfect shade that will actually last on your skin and gives the perfect amount of color and gloss to your lip shade. Now second one which I'm really loving it this time is the Maybelline one, which is the Superstay Teddy Tint. It has an absolute cute packaging, very cute too, and it is in the browner shade, and I'll swatch it and I'll tell you. It is so lightweight, but it stays on your lips for long hours. This is the color, and actually like some muted nude shades clearly. So these are the three which I really want to recommend. Nail care category. I am a girl who loves doing nail extensions. But since I don't travel much, I don't usually go out a lot. So I try to quite much of nail extensions. So this is the color which has gone viral and I'm loving it. I have long nails. So I thought, I don't know if I'll be getting a perfect wine color for myself. But again, Nykaa has the solution. It is in the shade. It is in the shade 456 and it is the perfect color. Look, if you're looking something for winters, this is the perfect shade you'll apply and the nails look absolutely so good. Now coming on to something which is for your room decor stuff, which is this warm vanilla sugar. Already told you multiple times that I'm a vanilla girly. So this is the scented candle from Bath and Body Works. It smells divine. Like this up and enter the room, you'll know that this is the candle which is burning in my room. It tastes so delicious. It is perfect on that cozy wintry vibes. And this is something that I'll be using. And I like many more Bath and Body Works ki candles, but this is my absolute favorite. Now coming on to the appliances, I have two appliances which have really worked well for me this year. Whenever I have been traveling, I'm an iPhone user, and you all know that the battery dies on you on the most important days you want to record, like just now. So this is something which comes really handy, really inexpensive, I can say. It is the power bank, which is the wireless power bank from Embrain, and it just sticks on your phone and भाई मतलब आपकी लाइफ इजी हो जाती है बहुत ज़्यादा. लाइक इट इज़ इजी टू कैरी, इट डज नॉट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वेट, एंड आई बॉट इट ऑन सम सेल और समथिंग फॉर द टेस्ट एंड ट्रायल, बट आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट. इस थोड़ा बहुत स्क्रैचेस, यू कैन सी हाउ मच आई हैव यूज्ड इट, but this is the perfect charger. If you're looking for something like this, go for it. It will really charge your phone up to 2 or 3 times, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं, but you can always, this comes very handy to you. It can, बस यार मतलब इसकी जितनी तारीफ करूँ ना उतनी कम है. Now if you see that your girl has really curled her hair up, I was so afraid to curl my hair because या तो मुझे आता नहीं था, या जो सैलून वाले होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही मेरे बाल छोटे कर देते थे. बट नाउ आई हैव लर्न द इनएक्सपेंसिव वे, विच इज़ द एलन ट्रूमर लव हेयर, एंड इट इज़ द कर्लर. लाइक क्या कर्लर है. फर्स्टली मैंने बॉट दिस, आई डिडंट न्यू दैट इफ दिस वॉज द राइट परचेज, बट दिस टाइम अराउंड द वेडिंग, लाइक मेरे चाचू की शादी पे I went ahead with this. I styled my cousin's hair with it, and the next day I styled my hair, and today also I am styling it with them. I told them that this will not last up to so much hours, so don't expect much out of it, because it was of 2000 or something rupees, 2200 का आया था शायद ये. But the curls stay up to 4 days. Like जितना ये curl कर रहा है, this is the second day dried, like second day of my curled hair, and it looks perfect because my hair are silky soft, and the curls on my hair don't stick at all. But this keeps my hair, like this is without any mousse, without any spray, and it looks absolutely perfect. So I love this appliance so much, and if you're someone who really wants to invest and looking for a good curl I'm Rod Joby, this is the perfect thing. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked the video, and if you did, do like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if you really liked the video and want to have more such videos. So yes, till then, tada.